Hello guys, it's Bijit here with a very new video. You can see very heavy cloud to cloud lightning happens. Happening is over our head, over our place, and we have checked from some satellite images. The storm is very single cell and local instability induced uh, convective cell, and it producing a very high cloud to cloud lightning. And we are also from that point of view, if we see the synoptic conditions of today, you can see there are little bit of outflow, thunderstorm outflow is also happening here. We are getting some cold outflow, cold rain, so not rain, cold wind. And generally it happens when at the upper level, when there is a precipitation and it directly evaporates. And when it evaporates, due to the latent heat cooling, the cool air comes down suddenly and we feel a kind of cool air, and that is generally the thunderstorm outflow or thunderstorm inflow, we can say. And yeah, we are we're observing one of the fascinating thing for a meteorologist. But we actually, the scientists, the meteorologists, and the researcher who study and want to study about the properties of cloud microphysics, and all that stuff, they actually wait for that kind of conditions here. And I am currently over a wind profiling radar, stratospheric tropospheric radar, and we have some instruments over here. You can see there is some rain gauge over here, and there is a one micro rain radar is also over here. And now you can see the winds, it is actually gradually increasing, and it's great. I think we are getting also in my video, actually sound may be also very recorded at a great speed. And we have also one drop size distribution instrument, which also gives us that instrument is disdrometer. And we have also prepared one hail pad, and let's see, we're getting a very high updraft now, very high downdraft. And yeah, that's the moment we meteorologists live for. You can see, oh my god, yeah. So this storm is getting severe now, and we are at the middle of the storm. So when the storm started, we are seeing that lightning. It was from like point of view. You can see like the storm is coming. Now I think we are at the middle of the storm, and you can see like yeah, there is a huge thunderstorm inflow. Gust winds are happening now, right now. And yeah, just feel the sound, yeah, just feel the sound. Okay, very okay, gusty winds, not very gusty winds, but a great amount of winds we can see here. And we can feel the rain is coming. The rain sound is also there. So okay, let's wait. At night we can distinguish, but yeah, we are getting the things. We're getting now. See, very high. Okay. See. Okay. See. Yeah. Very high gusty winds. Oh my god. Okay. That's the moment I live for. I can literally speak. That's the moment I live for. Like to study, to. That's the moment. You can see. That's the moment. Okay. See. Oh my god. Yes. Okay. Now rainfall is. Hello. Hello. Now you can see rainfall. Rainfall is happening now. Okay. Oh my God. Yes. 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 Ah, the damage. Yeah. See the outflow. See the outflow. See the outflow. See the outflow. See the outflow, man. See the outflow. Okay. Okay. Goal lucky. See. Huh? See. See the outflow, guys. See the outflow. I have seen you how a storm approaches and how. Okay. Oh fuck, whatever. चलो. See. We're running. Electricity is gone. We are running. Heavy rain is coming. To generator. To operate our radar. Oh fuck. Oh shit. See. This is something big, guys. This is something big. How we can say it's a single storm, local convective event, and how we can, it's a heavy. Where's up? Fast. See, guys, how much effort we are making to take the data, and for the researchers, see the guy, how much winds are blowing. You can feel the sound. And we're operating the DG now. Yeah.
এটা দুটাটো চলি আছে কিন্তু
it is running. So our 2 quadrant gets off when there is no electricity. Yeah, and we are starting, and you see. Okay. Just wait for, one on, yeah. Let's go, and now operate the radar again. Rain is coming now, guys. You can see heavy rain will happen now anytime, and you can, from my video, I think you can get like how the storm approaches, how lightning happened, then there is a short kind of inflow and there is a precipitation, and you see the gust winds, all that thing in that one video. I never thought that one day I will make it. I will make a vlog out of it, and it was my dream. And see, oh, my rain collection system fell down due to the gusty winds. Okay, I have to again check it, rearrange it. Okay, rearrange it. The drops are falling, and from this I'm very sure the drops are very bigger drops, and here is our, I told you na, This is the altisometer, and you can see the rain. Rain is happening, and in the rain also. Oh, our helmet. Oh, it's missing. Oh shit. Okay, there is heavy rain. Heavy rain. I have to take the jacket. I have to take. I have to take my jacket. I have to wear my jacket. That's raincoat. Heavy rain, guys. Heavy rain. Very heavy rainfall. It's a complete. You can feel the sound. That is enough. That sound is enough for a meteorologist to pleasure him, to give him pleasure. What could you need? What could you need besides that? That is the thing we're living for. That is the thing we are living for. I didn't show you that. See, that's how precipitation, that's how rainfall is happening on a huge scale. Huge scale, guys. On a huge scale. And that is enough for a meteorologist, guys. That is enough. That's the moment the researcher lived for, okay? And
Hi.
he's
We
my
are
colleague.
very happy right now.
He's my colleague.
Finally,
Pankaj Mili is my colleague.
Hard work paid off.
And for this event, we're continuously for 3 months. We're waiting for this event. We got one event, but it was not like that. It is completely filmed now. And what can local instability can, how much it can damage. Like before 1 hour, if you see the satellite images, there are no cloud formations over there. But now you can see. Now this is how local storms can affect. See, Jared, how local storms can affect, guys. See, at some minutes of time, some fraction of time, how it can give rainfall. I'm very overexcited today. Very overexcited. My camera got wet. I am filming when there is raining. I am wearing a raincoat, but that feeling is very. That feeling is very. What I will express, it is very special. Very special, guys. The winds are still there. Now the rainfall is like, okay, it comes down. Oh, okay.